For anyone who loves hosting Thanksgiving with the family, watch this. Check out this charming Noblesville beauty, recently price improved to $357,000. Imagine cooking your Thanksgiving feast in a kitchen that's not just functional, but fabulous. Stone countertops, shaker cabinets, and a backsplash that actually makes you smile. Cozy up by the fireplace in the living room. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a backyard fire pit for evenings under the stars. All of this on a generous corner lot with plenty of space to enjoy the season with family and friends. Thanksgiving is around the corner. Don't wait.